Hello and welcome to another painting video. In this video I'll be painting the Man-Skewer Boltboyz. Well, that's not really the case actually. Most of the Boltboyz have been painted the same way as I did my Gutrippaz. See the link in the corner if you want to check that out. I did, however, came up with two more ideas for painting the rags, which I'll be showing in this video. Let's begin, shall we? The first variation I'll be painting using Deathworld Forest. It's a base color but doesn't really cover that well. I needed about 3 coats. Then I shade the rags with Athonian Camoshade. I shade the rags again using Agrax Earthshade to dirty out the rags even more. Then I layer Deathclaw Green on the rags. I use Nurgling Green for the highlight. And finally I paint all the stitches with black Templar. The Boltboyz are the sneakiest of orcs, and using these green rags will make them blend nicely with their swampy surroundings. The second variation I paint with Deathclaw Brown. I'll be going for a tan leather look here. I shade the rags heavily with Agrax Earthshade. Next, I layer back Deathclaw Brown on the rags to bring back the original color. And end with a highlight of Kislev Flesh. And here we have 2 variations for rags I'll be using in my Kruleboyz army. Again, the rest of the models have been painted using my Gutrippaz video, and I thought it a bit overkill to film everything again. Next up is the Swamp Color Shaman with his trusty Podgrot. This model will be looking a bit different, so expect a full video on this model. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram, where I post pictures of current projects and behind the scenes stuff. For now, thanks for watching.